Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again. Today, my friends from EV Base, they sent me this pretty cool, what is called is it's a Starlight ambient lighting center console hub, okay? And, well anyways, let's just go get started. I'm gonna show you all about it. All right, guys, so I have a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper, and what I have here from EV Base is this center console hub charging Starlight ambient lighting kind of setup. It's pretty cool. It's going to give you a few more extra USB-C ports plus a USB-A port that you can use to charge or do whatever it is you need to do with your phones and your iPad or iPod earbuds and stuff like that. Whatever it is you need to charge, you can plug into this and it'll do it, and it'll give you pretty good wattage and everything. So we're going to go through that right now. By the way, this one here fits the Juniper and the Model 3 Highland, are the two vehicles that it will fit. So anyways, let's take a look at it here. I've already got it taken out of the box, but I'll show you what the box looks like. Here it is, a Starry docking station. The USB-A will do 18 watts. A USB-C will do 20 watts. Cable 1 will do 20 watts. And cable number 2 will do 65 watts. So 65 watts is pretty darn good. All that information is right there. All right. Anyways, opening up, there's not a whole lot in the box. They do give you this little user manual, kind of tells you about what all it has. It shows that there's a 65 watt port right there, 18 watt, 20 watt, and 20 watt right there. And it's really easy. You're just going to kind of push it in, turn it, slide it. You got a little guarantee slip right here in it. And here is the actual item right here. All right. Really, it's just going to go right there in the center console and just kind of slide and click right in place. These ones here are retractable. It's pretty good. A little over 3 feet or something like that, it looks like. What I do like about this one here is instead of these things sticking up, it actually is magnetic. So I like that. I mean, to me, that's going to be a lot better than the last one I had. But you do see the extra USB-C port right there and an A port. And both of these are C's. Both of them retract and goes away. You got this light cover right here. What I think about this, and sometimes I kind of like to fidget with things as I'm driving. So I can see this being something that I'm just going to be fidgeting with as I'm driving. So anyways, let me show you guys how to install this and we'll go from here. All right, currently you just have this here, so I can open this up and there's that, and I can go ahead and open that up, and it's just going to go right here, and it's going to plug in. I already have a USB, I mean not a USB, but I got a cigarette lighter adapter right here, so I can plug in a few extra things that I have going on in my car currently. So anyways, I want to plug it in right here, because that's all you need, and I'll show you the port right there. There it is. It's just that right there. And you're just going to put this in and twist it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Get those in the groove. There we go. And once it's in there, that's it. And then this, you close right up to it. And that one closes right up to it. You can close that up. Well, not too bad. It kind of hides up, keeps the dirt and everything from getting in your USB-C port. So anyways, I'm going to plug it in. Let's see if I can do that. Long enough cord. There we go. You can see it lit up right there. There we go. Now we got lights on there. Every time you open it and click it, it changes color. Pretty cool. I like the blue. Blue is probably what I want to leave it on, because I do like blue, everything else in my car. So you got red. Oh, there it changes. That's kind of cool. Ooh, that one's kind of neat. and no light. Oh, wait a minute. I was wrong. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's going through all the different colors. That one off? Okay, so there's off. White, red, green, yellow, purple, blue. And we got it where it changes colors. This is changing colors very slow. There we go. Pretty cool. Well, there you go. I mean, what does it take? About 30 seconds to install, but it's pretty cool. I can see myself fidgeting with it, changing colors down here as I'm driving. But it is a pretty clean installation. I like it. I like the fact that the one USB-C port is 65 watt and that is magnetic. I really like the fact that when I get done with it, it actually clips down instead of sometimes the old one I had, sometimes they would stay up a little bit, but this one here has magnetic ports, so it'll help keep them down. I like the fact that I can keep that window closed so I don't have to sit there and, you know, dirt and stuff can't get into USB-C ports. It's pretty nice. Once again, this is called the Starlight Ambient Light Hub, I guess you can say. Once again, it's from EV Base. If this is something that you're interested in the description of my video, I'm going to have the link straight to it. Make sure you use my discount code. Save yourself some money. They have a lot of other items out there for all the Teslas and different vehicles and stuff out there. EV Base is a pretty good company. Check them out. Make sure that whatever you buy, use my discount code. Save yourself some money. So guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more stuff. I'm always reviewing different products and stuff for my Tesla. And guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.